Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can edit Reels on Instagram. So let us start. To edit Reels on Instagram, first open Instagram and click on your profile and then click on plus icon and go to Reel. Now select the length of the reel according to you and then go to Gallery. Now first click on this icon and then add your photos or videos required to make your reel. After adding your clips, click on Next. Now here, your reel will be automatically synced to the songs available here. You can choose any song and it will automatically sync to it. But here, we want to edit manually, so click on Skip. Now click on Audio and select your audio. After adding your audio, click on Next. Now click on Edit Clips. Now set the duration of your clips according to you. Now to add transition, click on between the clip and choose the transition you want to apply on your clips. You can choose different transition for different clip, but I'm applying the same effect on all the clips. Now, if you want to add more clips, you can add by clicking on Add Clips option, and then you can add from your gallery. You can also reorder your clips by clicking on Reorder, and then you can reorder by holding the clip, and then you can move to position where you want to place. Now after this, swipe down your reel. Now here click on text if you want to text in your reel. Type any text you want to write. Now to set duration of your text, click on the text layer. Now trim the video layer till the position where you want your text to appear, and then click on confirm. Now your reel is ready. Click on next and you are ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.